we doing? All right, well, today I have managed to, my pastor actually gave me a grill, and so I'm going to be cooking with said grill, but I have to put it together first. And so I want to show y'all I'm going to be cooking off of my tailgate here with my grill and everything. Here's the grill right here. I'm going to put it together. Here's all the parts and the directions. I really don't need those, but yeah, I'm going to put this together. I'm not going to bore y'all with that, and then we're going to start cooking, so stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Alright, so right now I am cooking off of my tailgate. Got some corn on the cob, and I have also got some steak in there. I'm about to season up and leave to marinate for a second. But right now I don't actually even need that right there. I can set that to the side. As you see, I've got a piece of wood down right here, so that way I can have a flat surface. And this corn on the cob, I am going to put on the grill with my steak. I want to put salt and pepper on this, as well as some butter and maybe a little bit of garlic powder before I roll it in my tin foil. So I want to take all those skins off, get all that off of there. I'm going to chop this in half. It's juicy. Kind of got a dull knife, but that was easy enough. Alright, that's some juicy corn, y'all. I don't know if y'all saw that squirting out. Okay, so I've got those two right there. Open this up. Got my tin foil. Alright. Got my salt, my pepper, and my garlic powder. Okay, got my butter right here. I'm just gonna butter this corn real good. And what I like to do is I like to roll it in salt and pepper, so that way I get every part of this corn hit with some salt and pepper. And I'm gonna butter that down real nice. That way whenever it comes out of that foil, it is juicy, tasty, and all of the above. Okay, so we got that butter on there. So I got that going there. Now let's get this pepper. I'm gonna get some pepper out on my plate, as well as some salt, equal amount. And I'm also gonna put some garlic powder on there as well. And I'm just gonna roll that. Oh yeah. You get all that incorporated on there. I don't know if y'all can see all that pepper and all those granules on there. And that's one. I'm gonna do the other, and then oh, here also, while I'm with y'all, I've got two ribeye steaks here. They are thin sliced. There's some okay marbling on there. It's about a ½ inch thick. We're going to season these to our likeness. I usually just do salt, pepper, and garlic powder, man. That does the trick. You don't need anything else on it. So I'm gonna sprinkle it with garlic powder on the top here. Get some pepper. I like my pepper. You can put as much as you want, but me, I go all out. A little bit of salt. And then flip it over and do the other side just like that, just like you did the first side. All right, y'all, I'm gonna get the rest of this prepared, get the coals on the grill, get it nice and hot, and next time you see me, we'll be cooking. Just made myself a drink. All right, y'all, here I am, back at it. Or here we are, I should say. Y'all are here with me. All right, I've got my corn on the cob right here. I've been turning them. My skillet's nice and hot. I'm gonna put a little bit of butter in here. Skillet's nice and hot. Oh yeah, you can probably hear that sizzle. I was gonna use some olive oil, but you know what? I'm just not even gonna use it. Don't need it. So this can go away. All right, y'all. When you're cooking with cast iron, know that this is hot, this handle. All right, here we go. One. Make sure to put that on the pan away from you so you don't get anything splashing at you. Oh yeah, listen to that sizzle. Let me bring you over here. Oh yeah. It's a beautiful day out, y'all. Just such a beautiful day to do this. Anytime you can get out and get away from just being inside, especially with COVID going on, you know, it's definitely good to get out and do something like this. Even if you can go with your family, bring your kids, you know, they'd love to do something like this. They really would. They'd have fun with it. You know, it's the small things that matter, y'all. All right, I'm going to flip these here. Oh yeah, those are looking delicious. That butter's just seeping out of here. Let me bring y'all over so you can see this browning on this steak. Just that sizzle alone, that sound, oh, it's just serenity. So peaceful. All right, y'all, well, I'm gonna continue cooking this. This is basically it. And whenever I'm done with this, I'm gonna bring y'all back and we're gonna get plated up. And then I'm gonna try this out, man. I'm gonna eat some for y'all and y'all be able to see what we got going. All right, stay tuned. All right, y'all, we're back. We're all done. This was a small steak, so it gets done pretty quickly. We're gonna slice it up right now. Oh yeah. Man, it smells so good. It smells like fajitas. Steak fajitas. All it was is salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. Corn on the cob right here. That's hot. Whew. Now that, I'm telling you, is looking delicious. All seasoned. You got that corn on the cob, perfectly seasoned with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Gonna be delicious. And then you got these little slices of steak. I can't even see. They are delicious though, y'all. I know y'all can't even see me right now because of the sun. But that is delicious. Try some of this corn. Woo! That's too hot. But I can taste it right now and it's delicious. Woo! I'm gonna have to wait for that to cool down, y'all. Alright. I'm about done here, y'all. I'm about to get plated up for sure now. Get to eating this before the flies get to it. And then it's on to the next one. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you liked it. And until the next one, y'all, it's Whatever TV, man. Y'all take care. Love y'all. Peace. Hey, before y'all go, I wanted to show you this really cool way of eating your corn on the cob. If you're not a grab the cob and eat it person, you can grab it like this. Get your knife, be careful, and just cut right down it. Turn it. Right where that kernel meets the bone. You start slicing down. Ooh, whew. Or meets the cob, I should say, not bone. But yeah, and there you go. Then you got a bald cob and all your corn sitting right here. Delicious. Y'all take care. Peace.